Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome. Today, we are talking about how AI agents work behind the scenes. Have you ever wondered what actually happens from the moment an AI agent turns on until it finishes its job? That process is called the Agent Lifecycle. Let's break it down in simple terms. An agent lifecycle is simply the sequence of stages an AI software agent goes through. It starts when the agent is created, guides how it does its work, manages when it waits for input, and safely shuts it down when the task is done. The first stage is initialization. Think of this as waking up the agent and giving it a job description. Here, the agent loads its system instructions, specific goals, available tools, and memory limits before starting any real work. Next comes active execution. This is where the agent actually does the work. It senses its environment, makes smart decisions using reasoning loops, and takes action like looking up data or using external software tools. Sometimes, the agent cannot finish right away. That brings us to pause and wait states. If the agent needs human approval or is waiting for external data, it pauses safely to save system resources and wait for a signal to continue. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine an e-commerce refund agent. It initializes when a customer asks for a refund. It enters active execution to check purchase logs, then pauses to wait for the customer to upload a receipt. Once verified, it processes the refund and moves to the final stage. The last stage is termination and cleanup. Once the task is completed, failed, or timed out, the agent saves important progress, closes network connections, and releases memory. Proper state management keeps systems fast, safe, and predictable without wasting computer resources. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.